Hi everyone, this video is just to give some clarification on exactly what you need to do for the first exam. So you'll log into your MyOpenMath account, and at the very top you'll see test number 1. Okay, open that up and then you'll see two items in there. The first one is the test and the second one is where you upload your test once you're finished. Okay, so where it says click here to download the exam, you click here to download the exam. Pretty self-explanatory. It'll download to your computer or whatever computer you're using. Open the file and that'll be the test. Give this a moment to open. Okay, so this is the exam. All right, first thing you'll do, if there's a yellow bar at the top that says enable editing, click on enable editing or else you're not able to type. Okay, so this is the exam 1 file, 9 problems. So you see at the bottom, problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, and so on. Each problem is on a separate tab. So you got 9 problems to do. Okay. First problem has 9 parts, multiple choice. Right. So for number 1, let's say determine if each of the following is an example of descriptive or inferential statistics, whichever one you choose. So for number 1 over here, your choice, you're going to highlight yellow. So I don't know. Let's say I'm just guessing. I'm guessing descriptive. So I'll click on descriptive and highlight yellow. So I'm choosing descriptive as my first answer. All right, so each one of these, you're going to highlight one choice. And you should have 9 yellow cells once you're done. Right? Number 8 and 9 have 4 choices. You'll pick one of each. All right, once you're done number 1. Now you're definitely going to want to read the problem and choose the correct answer. I doubt these are all correct. Once you're done number 1, you'll move on to number 2. All right? So 2 parts here, and in these blue cells, this is where you're putting your answers. All right? Let's say you want to say, oh, a total of 25 people. Again, I don't know what the answer is, but I would type in 25. And then part B is a percentage. Problem 3. Frequency distribution and a relative frequency distribution based on the information in column A. Now, anytime you're using an Excel function, so we're looking at number 4, calculate the mean, calculate the variance. Your answers go in the blue cells, but I don't want you to type a number in. Like if the mean is 50.3, I don't want you typing in 50.3. Type the Excel functions. If you're using an Excel function, type the Excel function directly into the cell. So if I was using, let's say, the sum function, if I wanted to add up all of these numbers, which I don't want to do, you shouldn't want to do for this problem, but I would type in the Excel function and hit enter, and there's my answer. And then you could round the answer however the problem is telling you to round. Okay, so you got mean, variance. Problem 5, mean, median, standard deviation. Again, you're typing in, if you're using an Excel function, which you should be for each of these, you would type the Excel function directly into the blue cell, choose the data, and go from there. And you'll go through problem 6, 7. Problem 7 is an open response, so you're giving me an explanation. Consider the following 2 sets, determine which has the largest standard deviation. Do not say set A or set B. Right? That's not an explanation. So I'm grading you on your explanation of why you chose set A or why you chose set B. Number 8, 5-number summary. Oop, I didn't mean to type anything in there. Number 8, 5-number summary, interquartile range. And then determining outliers, and then finally number 9, correlation coefficient, critical value, and a predicted weight. So that's the exam. Once you're done the exam, you would save it, right? Save the exam somewhere on your computer. And then once you're done and it's saved, make sure you're not uploading the blank test. Make sure you save it. You know where you saved it. And once you've saved it, then, I'm not going to save it because I don't need to. Once you save the test, then you'll go in here to upload test number 1 here. Okay? And so it'll look just like this. Choose File. Wherever you saved it, I don't know, just open the file. All right, so now that file is listed here, and Submit. And once you click Submit, that's it. The test is one Excel file. You fill it out, all 9 pages of it. And then you go here, choose File, Submit Question. And when you click Submit Question, then I will then have your exam, and I could download it and grade it. All right, if there's any questions, please let me know. This link disappears after Tuesday. So if you haven't uploaded your test by Tuesday, you cannot upload it late, right? On Tuesday, after the test is due, I'm uploading the solutions. And once I do that, I cannot accept any late exams. So there are no late submissions. So please make sure you get that uploaded before it's due. All right, good luck. And again, if you have any questions along the way, please ask them sooner than later. Okay, if you're doing the test Tuesday night and you're sending me a question, there's a most likely I will not be responding on Tuesday night. So best to start early. That way you could ask questions early. All right, have a good day, everyone, and good luck on the test.